Hello! In this video I will print on Selphy CP1500 compact photo printer. I will demonstrate the following in this video. You will find part 1 video in the upper right corner notification. In that video my Selphy was unboxed, connected and upgraded with the latest firmware. Before I can print, I need to put some ink and paper to the Selphy. According to the specs, the following media is available. For this video I will unbox the media pack with capacity of printing 108 10 by 15 centimeters photos. First I install the ink cassette to the printer. And then put the paper in the paper cassette. Now the Selphy is ready, so let's do some printing. At this point you can stop the video to see available printing methods. First print I will send from the Selphy photo layout app. I can select photos from different sources, so I select from the Instagram, and here I speed up the video a little bit while I'm editing the photo for demonstration. I show different possibilities inside the app. Finally, I am ready to send the print. I speed up printing a little bit too. If you're interested in bigger photo with quality, then I recommend the printer from the upper right corner of the screen from the Pixma G series. In the next part, let's have a look into Wi-Fi settings on the Selphy. I select the Wi-Fi Direct option. Selphy becomes a hotspot. I use iOS Apple device, and in this demonstration I print this photo using Airprint. This time I leave the real-time print speed with Selphy, which is based on the specs about 41 seconds per photo. After yellow, cyan and magenta color, there is cover layer which protects the print and give ChromaLive longevity to the printed photo for 100 years storage in the album. This is not a pro printer, but screen-to-paper color matching in this print is excellent. You find more about pro printers in the upper right corner of the screen, and that would be all in this video. Find more selfie printers videos on my channel. Feel free to comment, ask questions, and don't forget to support. Give it a like if you found this video useful, and subscribe as it is free and helps me to grow the channel. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.